From the Winterford Cherry Hill Service Department, some great information about changing your car's air filter regularly. Many people don't understand the importance of maintaining your car's air filter. It's often out of sight and out of mind. Take a look at the difference between a clean air filter and a dirty one. Here are 5 benefits of changing your car's air filter regularly. A new air filter can increase gas mileage, reduce emissions, and allow optimal airflow for improved engine performance. In addition, changing your engine's air filter regularly will protect your engine and its internal parts from excessive wear and tear and damage that could result in potentially expensive repairs. We invite you to contact your Winterford service advisor to discuss your vehicle's air filter needs.